Why not?
Because I want it long.
You don't like Mommy's hair?
Yes, I do, but I don't want it long. I do want it long, but I don't. I do like it, but and that's. Mommy just cut it.
What's wrong with Mommy cutting her hair?
Why you cut it short? You. Trust me, you can't just put it right here.
I'm sorry, you're sad. Mama wanted to do it to do something different. Okay? Do I need to grow it back long again? Yeah. I love you.
I feel.
Jackson likes my hair. Hi, baby. Do you like Mommy's hair?